Hello, that's your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Now I get down and get straight to the point. Working with a 2015 Nissan Altima 2.5. Customer was wondering where the both of the camshaft position sensors is very confusing, so I'm here to make a video. Very simple. Take off your valve cover gasket. It's 10mm bolts. That's self-explanatory. You come all the way over here, and here it is. 1, 2. This is a dual overhead cam. 1, 2. Do not pay $600 to do this. All you have to do is push down on this tab, push on the tab, pull out. That's number 1, bank 1. Then you have bank 2, and then you 10 millimeter. It's self-explanatory to take this one off too. Put this back on. When you actually finish doing that, that is not going to fix your issue. You come over to the battery, you take off the negative terminal. Take it completely off. You come over here. I am a computer technician too, so there's no sitting around 24 hours. You come over here, you turn off the light, turn on the lights. You turn on the lights with the battery off. So you can do the same thing on a computer. You unplug the computer, press the power button, you discharge everything. You turn the lights off. What you just did, you just discharged all the power, any memory inside the vehicle. Put your negative terminal on. Once you do that, you come back over to the car. You do not in any shape or way hit that throttle. The car has to relearn itself. If you decide to hit that throttle with the car just now starting, the car is not going to run right, and it's going to think that the idle is super high and it's going to stay there, or it won't even start at all. After you do that, let the car sit for 15 minutes. The car has to relearn itself. Take it for a ride. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and thank you.